Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my next stage on 80-day cruise on a traditional Croatian wooden boat from Split between the islands to Dubrovnik and back. In the cool dawn of the third day, we leave the charming starry grade on the island of Hvar, setting sail for our next destination. The sea whispers tales of history and adventure as we journey towards the island and the town of the same name called Korčula. Break of dawn on the third day, we bid farewell to the enchanting starry grade on the island of Hvar and set sail toward our next destination. The sea murmurs stories of history and adventure as we make our way to the island of Korčula. Gliding gracefully through the sapphire waters, the wooden boat cuts a serene path while the salty breeze carries the essence of the Adriatic. Time seems to pause, allowing us to fully savor this journey along Croatia's timeless maritime passage. Evo, najbolj hrabri so že noter. Muti, a bo danes kaj napredka?
Kaj ne?
Ne bo. Muti je neomajna.
Kaj?
Ta je kar strehe skočil. Ja. To je ta šankamka je. Evo, ovdje imamo jednog kandidata koji će da skoči na bombicu. Neće bombica sad danas.
Neće, danas ide ovako penzionerski.
Penzionerski? A dobro, bolje ovo nego da imamo neki infarkt.
Pa ne zato, nego smo se ugrijali, znaš, lani.
Da.
Vidite mene!
Dobre.
Evo ga.
Hvala. Mala, hola. Pomaši malo. Ajde da vidimo kako skoči kapetan. Branko, jedna bombica. After a refreshing swim at the end of the Badija Peninsula and lunch on the boat, we continue sailing towards the island of Korčula. Korčula Town, often referred to as Little Dubrovnik for its stunning medieval architecture, is one of the Adriatic's most captivating destinations. Here are some interesting facts and highlights about this historic gem. Birthplace of Marco Polo. Korčula Town is famously believed to be the birthplace of the legendary explorer Marco Polo. While this claim is debated, the town embraces its connection to the adventurer with the Marco Polo Museum and the house where he is said to have been born. A perfectly preserved medieval town, the Old Town of Korčula is a masterclass in urban planning. Its unique fishbone street pattern was designed to protect against strong winds while allowing for natural ventilation. Strolling through its narrow cobbled streets feels like stepping back in time. Dominating the skyline is the stunning St. Mark's Cathedral, a Gothic Renaissance masterpiece built in the 15th century. Inside you'll find intricate stone carvings, a Tintoretto painting, and breathtaking views from the bell tower. The Moresque sword dance. Korčula Town is one of the few places in the world where you can witness the Moresque sword dance, a traditional performance dating back centuries. This dramatic dance reenacts a battle between Christians and Moors and is a must-see cultural experience. Rich wine heritage. Korčula and the surrounding island are known for their excellent wines, especially Greek and Polship, two indigenous white wine varieties. Visiting a local winery offers a delicious glimpse into the island's winemaking traditions. Breathtaking views from Forta. Climb up to Forteca, an old Napoleonic fortress, for panoramic views of the town, the shimmering Adriatic, and the surrounding archipelago. It's a photographer's dream spot. We arrived by boat on the outskirts of Korčula Town in the early afternoon. Since it was still early, we decided to take a taxi boat to the nearby island of Badija. There, some of us cooled off with a swim in the crystal clear sea, others enjoyed a refreshing drink and good company. To our surprise, we even spotted the deer roaming freely on the island, a special and unexpected encounter. Badija is a peaceful, uninhabited island known for its Franciscan monastery built in the 14th century. The island is also home to a small population of tame polar deer, which were introduced in the 1950s and are now a charming symbol of the island. In the evening, it was time to explore the charming town of Korčula. The old town, surrounded by ancient stone walls, is a picture-perfect maze of narrow alleys, historic buildings and beautiful stonework. Boats and yachts gently bobbed in the harbor, adding to the town's relaxed coastal charm. With its lively summer vibe, Korčula offers a warm, welcoming atmosphere and a wide selection of cozy restaurants, perfect for enjoying local food under the stars. Korčula Town is a destination that seamlessly blends history, culture, and natural beauty, offering something special for every traveler.
Bela barka plovi more plavim, dve daljine gdje sunce s neba sja. Vjetar šapće pjesmu snova, skrbi su daleko kao prašina.
As the lights of Korčula softly faded into the night, we wrapped up a day full of simple joys and unforgettable moments. Thank you for joining us on this part of the journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next adventure. See you in the next one.